All right, guys, how you doing? How you doing? Okay, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So let's make a no-bake cheesecake, a no-bake lemon-flavored cheesecake. How about that? So we're gonna make the crust and the filling, okay, so that you can see it from beginning to end. So we're gonna start with the crust. After I make the crust, I gotta put it in the freezer for 20 minutes so it can harden up, okay? And then we'll move on to the filling. Okay, give this a thumbs up. I think you know you're gonna like it. Share the video, subscribe, give me your comment on it, okay? And check out my links below. Let's do it. Okay, let me give you the recipe for the graham cracker crust. So you're gonna need 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs or 14 full sheets of graham crackers. Okay, so I have the crust that is not in sheets, it's loose, it's all crumbled up already. Okay, so we're going to use 2 cups of this graham cracker crumbs, and we're going to use 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar, and we're going to use 8 tablespoons or a cup of unsalted butter. 1 stick is a 1/2 cup, okay? 1 stick is also 8 tablespoons. Alright, okay, so let's do it. So the first thing I gotta do is I've gotta melt the butter. I'm gonna melt that in the microwave. Okay, so I usually put the wrapper right over the top and then put a covering over it so that, and a plate underneath so that my microwave don't get butter all over it. Okay, so let me do that and I'll bring you right back. Okay, so here's our butter. It's all melted. Now we're gonna have 2 cups of the graham cracker crust. The graham cracker crumb. They've already crumbled it up for us. I bought it like this. I love it. One cup. Right into the butter. Two cups. Okay, and that looks like you'll have enough to make another cake in the future. Another cheesecake. How about that? Okay, now we're going to add the 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Now you know you got to pack the brown sugar down, okay? Pack it down. Because this is light sugar, so it's not really heavy. So you want to make sure you get the full 1/3 cup. Okay, now we're going to mix that together. Okay, let's mix this together. So I'm basically just pushing it through my fingers and smashing, sort of. Because I'm trying to get that butter to be on all the crumbs. Okay, let me just wash my hands. Okay, so this is called a spring pan. It has a spring on the side that you can open up like that, and it separates. See that? This is good when you're making a cheesecake because it comes out better. Like you can just undo this and it's literally right there. Okay, alright. So now, we want to put the crumb in the bottom of this pan. Okay? So I'm going to put half in first. And you see what I'm doing? I'm pushing it around. Okay? Then I'm going to take the excess that I have left to fill in the spots that are maybe lower points than other points. Like on this side here, I can feel it's lower. Okay. Now I want to find something that I can push down with that. Push down on the crumbs. 1 second. Okay, I'm going to use the back of this serving spoon. And I'm going to push down. Just packing it down. Okay, now that I feel like I see what I'm doing, I'm just going side to side, kind of smoothing it so it's all uniform. Let me show you that. See that? I'm going to do it one more time to make sure it's all packed down. Okay, so now it's going to go into the freezer just like this for about 20 minutes while we make our filling, okay? Okay, 1 second.